Right, we would like to sketch the hyperbola. So it needs to be emphasized that as you sketch the hyperbola, you need to consider your asymptotes. So you must look for the asymptotes. Uh, so you must get the horizontal and the vertical asymptote. The horizontal, you get it from y equals to that part. So which means you get it by saying your horizontal will be y equals to minus 3. This one is the horizontal. That's the horizontal. Good. Then the vertical asymptote, you get it from there. That is, you say x plus 1 is equals to 0, which means here you are saying x equals to minus 1. This one is the vertical. Then after that, actually the asymptotes are an important feature of our hyperbolas, because the hyperbola is the only function that is two asymptotes, the horizontal and the vertical. Right, then from there we now want the y-intercept. So for you to get the y-intercept, on the y-intercept, we let x to be 0. So which means on the y-intercept, you must actually know that your x value is 0. So which now means here, it will be now, this will now implies that our y will now be equals to 2 over 0 plus 1 minus 3. So what you are doing is you are basically substituting into the original function. So this basically implies that we are saying your y is equals to 2 minus 3, which implies that our y is equals to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that is to say our y-intercept will be given by, remember our x is 0 and our y is minus 1. So this is also a very important aspect of our work. Now we now want the x-intercept. So for you to get the x-intercept, on the x-intercept, you let y equals to 0. Then you solve the equation. So which means here in this case is going to be 2 over x plus 1 minus 3. We are saying it's equals to 0. So we are now solving that equation, which now implies that it will be now equals to 2 over x plus 1 is equals to minus, it's equals to plus 3 in this case, not minus. So which means it's equals to 3. So this means it's 3 over 1. So cross multiplying, this gives us 2 is equals to 3 into x plus 1. Removing the brackets, it now implies that in this case 2 is equals to 3x plus 3. Going further, this implies that 2 minus 3 is equals to 3x, which further means that 2 minus 3, which means minus 1, is equals to 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, it actually implies that we are saying our x is equals to minus 1 over 3. So which means the x-intercept will be given actually by minus 1 over 3, and our y we said is at 0. So summarizing our things, our information, this is the x-intercept. Then the y-intercept we said is at 0 and minus 1. Then the vertical asymptote, we said the vertical asymptote is given by x equals to, basically the vertical asymptote is here. The vertical is x equals to -1, then y equals to -3. So x equals to -1 and y equals to -3. So let me emphasize, this is your vertical asymptote, and this one is the horizontal asymptote. So as you sketch your graph, you must actually sketch with the asymptotes. You must sketch the horizontal and the vertical asymptotes first. So that's exactly what we are going to do. So taking our axis, it means that we are saying, as we sketch the graph, it means this is the vertical axis, then the horizontal axis is this one. Then from there, we are saying this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? So we say this is the vertical asymptote because when you draw the line x equals to -1, as you can see there, it will be a vertical line that will be passing through -1. So which means it's going to be a vertical line passing through -1. And since it's an asymptote, we must draw it in dotted line. Then the horizontal asymptote is at minus y equals to -3, which means it will be a horizontal line passing through -3, as you can see there. So which means there is -3. So that's why we say this is horizontal. So you can even label y equals to -3, and there it will be x equals to -1. Then from there, you now put in your intercepts. Our intercepts are, the x-intercept is at -1/3 and 0. -1/3 is slightly below 0 here. So which means it will be somewhere there. That is to say it's -1/3. Then the y-intercept is also at 0 and -1, which means it will be at 0 and -1, which means our -1 will be here, as we can see there. So much so that as you draw the graph, it will start from there. It's asymptote to the line, then it passes through our x-intercept, then our y-intercept, then as it approaches, it will be now asymptote to the line y equals to x, y equals to -3, then it goes forever. Then the other part, it will be asymptote again to this part, then it goes down, it goes down, it goes down, to show that indeed it's an asymptote. Therefore, this now becomes our graph. So we need to be able to understand how we are able to sketch this. Thank you so much. May God bless you.